today I'm gonna break a vow of mine and I will basically make butter chicken. You've got to cook your chicken on coals before you make butter chicken. Siddhi, do you like butter chicken?
Yes.
He also loves it. My hands are quite dirty, that's because I'm getting my grill ready again, and this is how you do butter chicken. To get started, you'll need a chopper and about 150 grams of onions. Take 2 teaspoons of salt. Yep, that's quite a bit. Give onions a little pulse, and what the salt does is helps take out all the extra moisture from these onions. The onions go back into the mixer or the chopper. Add some ginger, a bit of garlic, deseeded chilies, some coriander and mint. We need to put in a few tablespoons of lemon. You can see the exact measure. Some oil. All of this is in the description. And blitz it into a coarse paste. Now add the spices, starting with chilies, a lot of it, some garam masala. Try to make it at home, that's the best one, and of course some coriander powder. Add a bit more oil, that'll help it all come together very well. Our marinade is now done. We're only going to use a bit of it for butter chicken, but you can use it for so much more because it will stay for weeks in a fridge. Let's now look at making chicken tikka. To make the tikka, take the chicken thigh fillets, season it with some salt, add a bit of cumin, some pepper, about a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, and of course some oil. All of this is mentioned in the description below. Mix it all in. This will keep the chicken moist and will give it good flavor. We'll put in about 2 tablespoons of the marinade and give it all a wonderful mix. Fenugreek is the real winner in this dish, and that's an absolute must. I just put another teaspoon of it right at the end before I cover the tikka for overnight, best is 24 hours, and then cook it on a coal barbecue. If you don't have a barbecue, you could also do this in an oven or an air fryer. You just need to get a good char on your chicken and make sure that it doesn't run dry. So with this amazingly charred and smoky chicken tikka done, let's now look at the butter chicken. To make the sauce, we start with toasting or dry roasting cumin and fenugreek seeds on medium heat. Put in a dollop of ghee and toast these spices again. And then we add the ginger and garlic and about 250 grams of tomatoes which have been softened in the microwave. It's now time to add the dry spices, the Kashmiri chili, the garam masala, the coriander, and yes, a little bit more of that wonderfully fragrant kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. For the sweetness, we'll add about a tablespoon of honey, not more because we're not making a dessert here. Stir it all in and let that masala roast into a beautifully, lusciously red color. Pour in about 100 ml of cream and bring it to a gentle boil. Add the chicken tikka to the sauce and make sure all those pieces are evenly covered. You now need to add a little bit of stock or some water, a final flourish of that kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves, cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. And hey, what's butter chicken without clarified butter or ghee? Add a tablespoon, stir it all in, and let that gravy boil so that it thickens and becomes more rich and smokier. This dish is incredibly brilliant if you allow it to cool completely. Enjoy yourselves.